Hi, my name is Nash Mathabagal. I am a Health and Safety Administrator at MAKROSAFE Central. In the previous video, BCF explained the plan process to you. Now, I would like to take a minute of your time to explain the do process. And this is where your health and safety program becomes interesting. In the do of the process, it is essential that you identify your risk profile. This means identifying all possible risks that may be present in your workplace or may be associated with your working activities. Assessing the risks identified is the follow-up step. When doing so, identify what could pose health and safety risk or harm in the workplace. Further, identify who is at possible risk and implement control measures to manage the risks that have been identified. When identifying risks, make priorities based on the biggest and possibly most fatal risks and deal with them first. Organize your activities to deliver your plan. In particular, aim to involve the employees in your activities. Communication is key to the success of any health and safety activity. Communicate with employees to ensure that everyone clearly understands what is expected of them in their activities. Communication allows for the initiation of discussions which clarifies any queries or misunderstandings and ultimately develops positive attitudes and behaviors of employees. Provide adequate resources to employees and, if needs be, competent or professional health and safety advice is recommended. Once these stages have been followed, you can now implement your plan. Decide on the preventive and protective control measures needed and implement them. Ensure correct, certified and well-maintained equipment, machinery and tools are provided for any jobs employees are expected to do. Comply with the stipulations of the Occupational Health and Safety Act and Regulations 85 of 1993 and ensure all employees who are stipulated by law to undergo training are well trained and certified. This ensures that they are competent to carry out the specific work they were trained to perform. Very important to remember, and this is out of my own personal experience, the only way to help reduce cases of incidents and fatalities, working activities should be done under supervision of a well-trained and skilled supervisor, whose duty is to ensure all activities follow the right procedures and channels planned. I trust I shed some light on the do process of plan, do, check and act approach. In your next video, James Dlamini will be explaining the check approach of health and safety.